You got to enjoy every second of this life. Enjoy every second you feel. Got to enjoy every second, cause life is short, so keep it real, y'all. Keep it real. I'm enjoying every second of this life that I've been given. Every mountain that I climb and every pitfall that I fell into. Remember me and you dancing in the living room, cooking in the kitchen, bringing music to the barbecue. So many ups and downs, but we turn the frowns around, clowning with each other till the neighbors say to turn it down. Life is like a rhythm, so enjoy it while this song is on. You never know when it could go away, cause when it's gone away.